Let's make yogurt. You're gonna need the following ingredients for this recipe. Make sure to keep your eye on the milk until it reaches the boiling point but doesn't boil over. Let the temperature drop for 30 to 15 minutes. It will create a layer of fat on the top. Keep it solid so we can make butter out of it. If you don't want butter, remove it. First pro tip, touch the milk with your small finger and see if it's at liquid temperature. Not too hot to burn your finger, neither should it be cold. Second pro tip, to get a thick texture of yogurt, mix the yogurt sample well before you add into the milk. After adding, try to give another fine mix. Cover it with a thick towel and put it in lukewarm temperature for 6 hours if you want a bit of sweetness, 8 hours for a sour taste. We'll use the fats layer on the top to make butter and yogurt drink on the next video, so hit the subscribe button to get notified when I drop it. Catch you in the next video.